The next step up from a Honda Civic Type R, a FL5 Honda Civic Type R, is probably going to be, but yeah, this is perfect to me. Now listen to the 911 Carrera 4S. Woo!
Yeah, there's love, there's hate, lies and games, faith.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in today's episode, we're going to try and figure out what's the next step up from a FL5 Honda Civic Type R. So if you've been with the channel for a while, you know I've had like a Camaro SS1 Elite, I've had Subaru WRX STIs, Golf Rs, I've had the new VB WRX, and obviously now I have the GTI, the Mark 8, the 2024 GTI 380. We also have a Mazda, I had a Mazda CX-5. We also now currently have a Mazda CX-90. So I've had a bunch of different cars, and I'm trying to figure out what's the next level up that I can go for me. So it would have to be like manual gearbox, you know, very driver focused, and potentially I think I would probably still need to get a four-door vehicle. So we're gonna head out to this dish. I'm gonna meet up with my friend Joey. You guys remember Joey's been a part of the channel for a while now. Gonna meet up with him and go car shopping and see what we can find that would fit me personally. So let's head out now, and you know, we'll see what this vehicle is like, and I'd like to get you guys feedback on it. So let's head out and see how this goes. All right guys, so we came out here with Joey. He came out in the Maserati, came out in the almost a Camaro. You guys are gonna get on me in the Type R. Ooh, that Mazda got like a nice exhaust. Listen to that. Hold on. Yo, Joey, give me a rev, man. Yo, is that a 6?
Yeah.
That sounds good. Yeah. Huh?
It's got no balls.
Yeah, dude, this sounds nice. I like it. All right, guys. So we got here at Porsche, and this is the vehicle that I ultimately want, right? This is what was this, Joey? A 23?
Yeah.
All right, so this is a 23 Porsche 911 GTS. It's got the wing on the back here, as you can see. It is manual gearbox, which is, you know what I want, guys. Look at that. Oh, and the seat goes back, the windows come up a little bit. But yeah, manual gearbox, 3 pedals. I already sat in here. It felt good. Like, I don't know. Let me see. I'll pull the...
I just put that up. That's why it's...
Yeah, I know. So I'm pushing the seat back. Did you raise it up or did you just pull it forward? All right, so we're gonna have Joey record me so you guys can see what I look like getting in here.
Watch him struggle to get in there.
Nah, I'm gonna get in here quite easily. Look at that. Boom.
You feel good in there?
Fit like a glove, man. And look at it, man. Manual gearbox. I don't know if you can you see this from over here? Look at that. Perfect. Manual gearbox. Lots of headroom. Like here. Guys, what do you think? Look at the manual gearbox again. Porsche 911 GTS. You got the sport, that's the sport chrono package, right?
You asking me?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh
What's
man.
the sport chrono package?
Oh yeah, my bad. That's, I think when you get that there. And this one has 1,029 miles on it. So yo, Dana, if you're watching, come to Porsche of Melbourne. You can actually get this car sitting on here right now for roughly 200,000. So yeah, you can come get this right now. It still smells spanking brand new. So yeah, so this is one of the cars that I'm considering upgrading to. This would be an upgrade, obviously, from the Honda Civic Type R. I obviously have never driven one, so I don't know what it actually drives like, but it feels good sitting in it. Sitting in it feels really good. So this is a car that I'm gonna get eventually one day. This will be my supercar. But let's go take a look at the BMW and see what that's like. All right, guys, so this is the M3 right here. Now, comment below, let me know what color you think this is. To me, it looks purple. Joey says I'm colorblind. It's blue. It just, I don't know, it has like a purple hint to it. So I actually really like this. Like, you see the inside of the GTI, I run with like a purple, but this also manual gearbox, right? And 3 pedals. You know, the only reason why I personally wouldn't get this would be for these bucket seats, but this is something that most people like. So if you guys want this, I think it only has like 5,000 miles on it. yeah, 5,082 miles. You can come here to Porsche. This is the Porsche of Melbourne, right?
Correct.
Yeah. So you got the Porsche Melbourne. You guys can come here and get that. Ooh, it's got a lot of back seat space actually.
No, it does.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. So I like this. Comment below. Do you think I should step up from the Type R and get an M3 like this? I like the way it looks. The wheels and everything is flush. It sounded nice when we started it up. I don't know. I think this is a really nice car. But this particular one, because of the seats, I would not get. I would need to get the comfort seats. This has a carbon fiber roof. So yeah, I think this is like a really, oh yeah, and they're selling it for $76,500. So yeah, this is like a car that you guys interested in. It's a 22 BMW M3. I like this. I like this a lot. Will Motivation, if you're watching, let me know if you think I should get this. Pretty Chaotic, Look for Winnerly, 100 Gain 8. You guys let me know. Should we get this, or should we stick with the Type R modified, or should we just order one brand new? But this is one of the ones that's on the list. But yeah, comment below, let me know which one you think we should get. Like a walk around, and we'll go take a look at the M3 again.
I like the buckets.
Yeah, because you fit in there. Like, I struggle with the buckets. But yeah, this is perfect to me. Yes, I'm all in it. Even the wheels. So these got the center locking wheels, it looks like.
Yeah, those are center lock.
Yeah, that maintenance though. Now listen to the 911 Carrera 4S. Woo! Man. Dude, that thing sounds mean, man. I should have asked you to give me a rev.
Oh yeah. Oh, I'm sorry.
No, it's all good.
I didn't see you guys.
Yeah, no, this is nice, man. For a 4S. All right, guys. So yeah, we checked out both the 911 GTS. We checked out the BMW M3. Right now, I'm sticking with the Honda Civic Type R and the GTI. I'm probably going to end up modding both of those. And if enough of you like, comment, and subscribe, and rock with the channel, I think what we're going to do is we're going to add on an M3. We'll add on an M3 to the channel, and then eventually we'll purchase another house where we have a little bit more space, and then eventually we will get that 911 GTS. All right, so I want to show you guys why I have such a hard time coming out of the Type R. It's like I just got to do some real fun driving, did a couple of 0 to 60 test runs and stuff like that, and afterwards I can come, get groceries and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 huge jugs of water, 2 over there, diapers, groceries, and I still got more to go. And you can see still got a lot of space left. Like, it's a perfect car. I can't really do this with the Porsche 911 GTS. I can do some of this with the M3, but not as much. Like, and then the M3 costs so much more. Like the Type R, it's like a cheat code for like dads that are car enthusiasts. So for me, it's something that I think I would have to keep, because I can still have fun with it and still do all the dad stuff I need to do. So that's one of the issues that I'm running into, man. To me, it's just it's very hard to beat. Very, very hard to beat. So in conclusion to this video, I'm gonna say the next level up, or the next step up from a Honda Civic Type R, a FL5 Honda Civic Type R, is probably going to be a G80 BMW M3. I've sat in it and I've looked at it, and I haven't really driven one yet, so I can't tell you 100%, but just based on what I'm seeing, I think that's probably the next level up. And I don't know how they compare to the Honda when it comes to reliability, but I think that would be the next step up. But I think for me personally, none of those cars, the 911, as much as like it's a goal of mine to get one, and as much as like that 911 GTS, that one specifically, the way how it's spec'd out is exactly how I would probably get one. Like that for me is like a goal and a dream, and something that I want to aspire to get. But even that doesn't have that special sauce that I feel when I'm in the Honda Civic Type R, man. There's just something about the Honda Civic Type R that's just really special. And I'm going to do breaking news for you guys that are following the channel. I am so in love with Honda as a brand right now. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy like a 1995, 96 Honda Civic EG hatch. I think I'm gonna buy a hatch and do a build and get it to like 300-400 horsepower. I'm not sure if I'll do like a NA build, or if I'll do like a B series or a K series. I'm not sure, but I think that's what I'm gonna do. And yeah, I'm gonna have like 2 project cars basically. I'm gonna keep this Honda Civic Type R just with basically like a downpipe and 2, nothing crazy. But I think I'm gonna build a EG hatch, and I think I'm also gonna build the Volkswagen GTI that's in the garage. Those are gonna be like my 2 race cars that I'm gonna build. So yeah, I hope that answered your question for anybody that has one of these or they want to know what's the next level up. Hope I answered that. And then for those of you that kind of wanted a slight garage update on what we plan on doing with our cars and what cars we plan on bringing to the channel, I think that's the direction I'm headed in, man. I think I'm going to get a couple old schools, start building those. I also want to get another old school X-Runner truck and build one of those as well. But I think that's where we're heading. And yeah, man, we're gonna keep it fun. We're gonna keep it exciting on the channel. And I especially want to thank everybody that's been supporting the channel. Like, we're growing fast, and I remember when I started this channel, I really started it when my daughter was born, because my wife was telling me for years that you have such an interesting lifestyle with this car stuff. Like, you love it. Like, you rush to go to races and stuff like that, and you're deep in the car culture. You should document it and start a YouTube channel. And it took me years, because I didn't know how to edit, I didn't know how to even record, I didn't know how to do anything. So I was like, I didn't want to do it. But then for some reason, when my first daughter was born, that's when I decided to do it. And that's what really kind of got me to do this channel. And it just is so gratifying to see you guys really supporting the channel and vibing with everything we're doing and everything we're saying. I'm grateful for all of you. But yeah, that's it for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Race car friends out. All right, guys, so I finally got that maintenance reminder, and that's at 3,523 miles. So yeah, finally got that maintenance reminder. So now I can take the Type R in for its first service, and this is how like Honda recommends you do it. Wait for that reminder to pop up, or that maintenance required to pop up. And that's how you get your free oil changes. Like, you can't take it in before that.